How to reset the toner cartridge for Pantum P3020 and other Pantum laser printers, and make them working without the toner cartridge chip. You will need a software that has been developed by INKCHIP company. The software is not for free, but once installed, the toner level will be always displayed 100%. The cartridge can be refilled without error messages, adding only the toner. The reset is made only once, and it's forever. You need a PC with Windows operating system, an internet connection, an USB cable, and the printer driver already installed on your PC. Better to download the printer driver directly from the Pantum website. If you only connect the USB cable, you obtain a low version of the driver. Connect your printer to the computer using the USB cable. Turn the printer on. Go to the INKCHIP website. The link is in the description of this video, or search it. This is the INKCHIP website. Click on Pantum. Here you'll find a list of Pantum printer models. If you don't find the firmware for your printer, send an email to INKCHIP. They are updating the software continuously. They will find a solution. I will install the program for a Pantum P3020D. Click More. Click on Download the software. The software will be downloaded in your PC. You may be afraid of PC viruses and so on, but don't worry. I've been working with INKCHIP for years. You'll have no problems. Click to install the software. A window will open on the monitor of your PC. Click on Get Printer ID. This is the printer ID. Copy it. Return to the INKCHIP website. Click on Link. Insert your email. Click on Continue. Insert the printer ID in this field. Click Send. Now you have to buy the firmware. $14. Click on Buy. Checkout. Insert your data, country, name, telephone number, email, and so on. Select the payment and place order. You will receive an email with the file. Open the INKCHIP window. Click on Upgrade firmware. Select the reset file. Open it. The printer starts to work. Wait for the Chipless firmware installation to complete. At the end, it will write, wait for the printer to reboot. The printer will reboot automatically. The toner level is now 100% and it will remain 100%. You have to change or refill the cartridge only when the print quality is no more acceptable. Remember, do not update the printer driver, otherwise it will reset to default settings.